National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for north-central Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, southwestern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Burnwell, or 11 miles west of Fayetteville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and $half-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oak Hill around 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Hope, Piney View and Bradley around 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beckley and Prosperity around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pax and Artie. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Charleston, West Virginia.